Here's
Yep.
the description for everyone that I was talking about. This first line is what I was talking about when I say we have to change that. We want to hit them with their pain point.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yep.
cool. And then like you see how your formatting is kind of all over the place. You have a big open
Yeah.
area here. Yeah.
Yep.
Right. Yeah. Because like if I see that, I'm like, ugh,
Yeah.
is the book going to be like this too? Right. Like that's what people are thinking.
Yes. Right.
Okay.
Got it.
Okay. And then your A plus here. This text, we don't need this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it.
We just don't
Okay.
need that little text. We want to use just visual stuff here.
Got it. Okay.
But the A plus could look way better.
Okay.
Way better. Okay.
Got it. Okay.
So if you're going to use AI or just hire somebody to do it. But yeah, we could definitely do a way better A plus.
Okay.
This, if you're going to use yourself as like an authority figure, okay, one, I would use a real picture, right?
Okay.
If you're the face
All
of the
right.
brand. It should be the last point just to, once again, just build that last little bit of credibility before they purchase, right? To give them that
Right.
assurance,
Yep.
right?
Got it.
But yeah, I say your A plus in your description are the weakest parts to your Amazon page right now.